up, guys? Lashonda here, and if you are new to my channel, welcome. And today we're going to be doing a DIY honey and oatmeal face mask. Now, I tend to get dry spots around my cheek area and around my nose area up here, in between like my eyeballs kind of. So guys, you already know, before we jump into the video, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Turn on a post notification ring bell so you don't miss any videos from me, and thumbs up this video, and let's just jump straight into it. So I wanted to come up close real quick and kind of show you guys what I'm talking about, where my dry spots are. And I get dry right here in this area. As you can see, I have dry spots there, and then I get them like right in here. So yeah, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I use this mask and I get rid of that. So guys, first what you're gonna need is 1 tablespoon of oatmeal. I like to grind my oatmeal up just so it can be more gentle on my skin. And this is the oatmeal that I use. I just blend it up. Then you're gonna use 1 tablespoon of raw honey. I like to put the oats first. That way this is not sticky and then all the oats get stuck in there. So I'm gonna use 1 tablespoon of honey. Then I'm just gonna take a spoon to get the rest of that out, and I'm gonna start mixing that in. Until it looks like this, guys. Now let's go ahead and apply this. Okay guys, I have applied that to my face. Guys, I'm just gonna let you know, when you put this on your face, it is gonna feel very sticky, but at the same time, it feels really good. I'm gonna let this sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Guys, I should go up to my husband and say, you wanna lick my face? Because it's all edible. This is all edible, honey. It's all edible. Okay guys, I'm back. It's been about 20 minutes. I have me a warm, damp rag here. Don't mind the way it looks, guys. This is what I use for my makeup. Wiping my makeup off and I bleach it just to make sure the makeup's out of it good. So yeah, but here we go. Okay guys, I got that all off. Now I went and put some cold water on my rag, and I'm going to put that on my face as well, just to close my pores. You want to close those pores so you can keep that honey and that moist all in your skin. Close it up. And as you see, I'm just pressing that gently onto my skin. I'm gonna come up close so you guys can see. And as you can see earlier, I had dry patches right here. It looks way better. Looks better up in here. On this side. So if you want to, you can go in with a moisturizer after that. Usually I would do that. So yeah, that is the end of this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Again, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Comment down below if you tried this yourself. Let me know, guys, because I really want to know what you guys think about this little face mask DIY. And guys, like I always say in every video, I will see you guys in my next freaking video. Peace out.